Hello to all. This is my DIY solar panel project. I've had a couple more changes I've made here recently. I've changed some of my wire feeds. I've tied two more grounds into my shunt so my meter can still pick this up between the two, but I've got two independent leads running into the inverters from the solar panels, and I'm going to take you out and show you that. So here we are up underneath my solar panels, and what I've done is I've looped several panels into two independent lines. So I've got 6 that are on this circuit, and I've got 4 on this circuit. So they come into my disconnect, which I do have fused, and they run out 2 independent lines that run into the inverter in the house. So what I've also done is from this setup, I've been able to set the inverters on different phases. So even though they are not technically making 220, I am feeding one leg of my panel and I'm feeding the other leg of my panel, utilizing the same type of setup here. And once again, my solar panels, as you can see, I have room for 2 more panels that I can put in down here, and that would give me 1200 watts of panels. So far I've been averaging somewhere around 3 kilowatts a day. I've seen my output somewhere around 520 to 540 depending on how the weather is. And I'll try to keep you updated as time has gone by, and thank you for watching.